47 hours, 12 minutes ago, the Imperial cruiser Wrath of... The value of the Wrath of Espandor is twofold. Its cyclonic arsenal and its proximity to several Tyranid war vessels. Combat Squad Phaedrus is already on board and is the tip of the spear. Additional squads are inbound to secure objectives. Make your way to the Ordnance Depot and take control of the plasma cores.
Talassa, this is Combat Squad Phaedrus. Breach via any existent openings you find.
Understood, Phaedrus. We are breaching now.
Progress towards the Ordnance Depot. We will rendezvous with you and Combat Squad Heraton there. Remain vigilant. The Xenos infestation goes deep in this ship.
En route to Ordnance Depot. Seems quiet so far.
Ignore Xenos biomatter and focus on objective. Friendly files on the issue. Iron Hate ready. Multiple contacts swarming our locus. What is your status, Talassa? Clearing our avenue of approach, Phaedrus. Good. We have drawn their focus. Keep... Talassa, Combat Squad Heraton reporting. We lost Vox contact with Combat Squad Phaedrus. Do you know their status? Phaedrus not responding to Vox. We must consider our brothers lost then. Our objective is to secure the cyclonic warheads at all costs, encountering heavy Tyranid resistance.
Hold fast, Heraton. Our duty is dealing death.
Calibrate your aim, brother. Structural integrity rating decreased. The Codex approves. Our auditory evidence suggests the vessel is under great stress. Combat Command Beast.
Cannons are the Imperium's wrath made manifest.
The Douglas-class light cruiser carries an outsized complement of weapon batteries and lancers. Iron Halo, online.
We are allied.
Preparing disciplinary report. Level Xenos. Pacified. Intercepting projectiles. Combat Squad Heraton reporting in. The bridge is lost, as are my squad brothers. I am cut off from our planned route to the Ordnance Depot.
Calculating a new route based on your report, Heraton.
Enhanced tactic ready. Standing by. Be advised. The cruiser's crew managed to execute security protocols before they were overrun by the Xenos brood. Tyranid assault suppressed. Standard morale boost. For the Emperor! Deploy tactic. Rampant violence. Talassa, commune with the main console in front of you to bypass the security protocols. Progressing to primary console interface to initiate security bypass.
Find the routers with those symbols and reactivate them at once.
High priority Tyranid eliminated. Updated symbols and activate the corresponding switches. Iron Halo protocol in progress. Iron Halo online.
That was a match.
Codex approves our tactics. Ammunition restocked. Practical. Match the symbols on the router switch to the console display.
Coming back to functionality.
Expedited route to plasma engines required.
The lift platform is in transit. Arrival pending.
Arrived.
Attention boarding parties. We have confirmation that Combat Squad Phaedrus is lost. I need a mission status update from all remaining combat squads.
Combat Squad Heraton here. Redirecting along newly advised path.
Combat Squad Octavio reporting in. Cyclonic armaments secured for now. Talassa, you are nearing the reactor cooling hall. Report on its condition when you arrive.
This station is worse than we thought.
All squads, we have updated our battle stratagems. Heraton, reinforce Octavio and protect the cyclonic armaments. Talassa, your new orders are to destabilize the reactor, cause a temperature spike, and the Tyranids may redirect their assault to you, buying Heraton and Octavio some time to prime the armaments. When you reach the reactor's cooling console, disable the emergency blast shields. Emergency blast shield Talassa, I need you to disable the entire cooling array. Concentrate fire on the exposed cooling rods.
Practical. Open fire on exposed plasma rods. Specialized biofuel neutral. Iron haste ready. Throwing fragmentation grenade. Conversion field operation. Calibrate your aim, brother. Kill confirmed. Major Tyranid threat. The rods are our targets. All Tyranid combatants eliminated.
Identify blockages and remove Xenos organisms.
Living biomass blocking our target. Iron Halo online.
Registering extreme temperature fluctuation. Plasma cooling efficacy severely reduced.
Excellent, Talassa. You will need to repeat the same process at the second array.
Access granted the bridge console. Elements of the cooling rod array are clogged.
Fragmentation device in place! Obtaining armaments.
Elements of the cooling rod array are clogged.
All decommissioned.
Temperatures at critical level. Plasma reactors shutting down to prevent catastrophic detonation.
Talassa, do not let the reactors cool down. This cruiser will soon perform its final task. Proceed to the decks below and force the plasma reactors to overheat.
Updating our route to the plasma reactor. Back grenade out.
Talassa, have you received word from our brother in Combat Squad Heraton? His approach vector should have taken him through the technical underbelly.
No transmissions from Combat Squad Heraton received.
Understood. Be advised, we remain under heavy Tyranid assault.
redouble our efforts to draw the Tyranids away from your position instead.
Acknowledged, Octavio. Emperor be with you. Enhanced tactics ready. Iron Halo online. Xenos countermeasures successful. Iron Halo ready. The Codex approves our tactics. Stim supplies here.
Talasa, we have lost contact with Heraton leader, and Octavio is pinned down. You must destabilize the plasma reactor. Our brothers from Phaedrus and Heraton shall not have died in vain.
Talasa, readying to overload plasma core. Enhanced tactic ready. Preparing disciplinary report. Refilling magazines. Observation logged. Numerous dead servitors.
Access granted.
Vox clear of chatter. Deploy tactic. Rampant violence. Focus on objective.
Spec suggests major organisms ahead.
That reactor must be
Multiple
destroyed.
crimes.
Honor our brothers. Honor our chapter.
Iron Halo online. Practical. Evade shock surges. Supplying courage.
When those magnetic stabilizers stop, prepare for rapid egress.
Be advised. The gyroscopic containment shielding prevents catastrophic plasma dispersal. Plasma cores are now exposed. Caution advised.
Reactor critical, Talassa. Disengage!
Mission deadline imminent.
Talassa, we're tracking your signatures. Octavio and Heraton Leader are already on board. Our brothers prevailed. Evacuation protocols initiated. All crews report to shift leaders.
Preparing disciplinary report.
Hurry! The cruiser has begun breaking apart. We will wait as long as we can.